open a Visual Studio and create a new project. So this is the new project template, and from here we have multiple options to choose a template. So languages, we want a C++, and a platform, it will be all platform, and this is the console applications. From here we can choose this template and click on the next. So this is our console application one, and the location we can select from our local drive. So this is the option for the solution name, having a solution name different than a project name, and then click on the create. So it will create a default template, it will create a default code for us. If you see, there are a lot of things which are in the commented format. So this is the console application 1.cpp. This file contains a main function, and this is the header file. From this file we are going to use some of the functionality. If you see, this is a default, these all are some informative points is mentioned in this template. So how to run a program, control plus F5 or debug, then debug program F5 or start debugging by using a menu, and tips for the getting started for those who are beginners. So by default, this Visual C++ template will gives us some of the tool tips. So this is the solution explorer to add, remove existing resources, or to add a class, module, or new folder from here. So these are the details. It will show output and error window here. This at the bottom side. Okay. So this is not going to play any role while executing a program. So we'll remove it quickly just to keep it only program related things here. Okay, so now hash include, this is, I'll just comment it out for information what exactly the meaning of this one. So header file, so this is the main function or entry point, we'll say entry point. Then here this is a hello world. Now how to build it? So there are three options to build this program. First, from the solution explorer we can build it from here. Second option is from the menus, build console application 1, and third is a shortcut, control B. Okay, so we'll use this one to build console application 1. So here we have succeeded for the building this application. For running the application, one is a start debugging from here, and the another shortcut is here. So without debugging is a control F5, or directly we can do it from here. We'll use this one and we'll run this one. Now you can see on the console window, this hello world message has been appeared, because this is what we have given the cout, and this is the left shift operator along with this cout keyword, and this is the message what we want to print on the console. And this is the backward slash with the n is for creating a new line.